Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Jay. I'm here today on this project to take out these bushes for this customer. I've been here before and took out a pine tree a few weeks back and got that all cleaned up. But if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing, sharing with your friends, and liking and comment below. Anyway, we're gonna get done with this project. We gotta take a bunch of bushes out. Flip you around so you can see. So she wants all these lilac bushes to come out. So we got like 4 here. And then these 3 bushes in the corner, which looks like there's a mulberry tree growing up in there too. So this is what we're gonna be working on. Here's where I took the pine tree out. Ground out the stump. Looks like she's already got some kind of plants planted in there of some sort. Got the bushes all ripped out. Didn't take too long. The truck's pretty full. We gotta smooth her all out. Well, we got it all smooth. So I used a prime attachment grapple. It's called Meant to Be Badass. It is pretty strong. I was able to rip up those lilac bushes by the roots and pretty much clear everything out. And then I went over it with my bucket, got it all smoothed out. Now she's ready to plant grass seed. It's nice and smooth. You just watched me get a whole bunch of bushes and mulberry trees and everything else out. Here's the finished project. Got that there. And then this here behind me. So she just bought this house a couple months ago. And I do a bunch of work for her friend and some other of her friends. Looks a lot different. Skid loader comes in really handy. So this is from the street now. She's got a big mulberry tree in that. The bushes I need to get cut out. Probably gonna talk to her about it. She wants me to work on that. Anyway, if you like this video, consider subscribing, liking the video, and sharing with your friends. Thanks.